This YouTube channel is generating a monthly income of $41,600 by creating simple motivational videos. It got me thinking, can AI do most of the work for you? In this video, I will show you how you can easily create 15 motivational videos per day using the combined power of ChatGPT, CapCut, and Pictory. With these tools, you can start your own YouTube channel and make serious money. Let's dive right in. I came across a YouTube channel called Ben Lionel Scott, who is apparently the mastermind behind these motivational videos. His most popular video has a staggering 68 million views, indicating that people are really interested in his content. Let's take a look at some of his recent videos. He consistently garners over 100,000 views. What's his secret recipe? Let's break it down. Firstly, he uses epic movie trailer-like soundtracks in the background, creating a sense of anticipation and adventure. I cannot display the audio so as not to be subject to copyright. Secondly, he includes fragments of speeches from famous individuals, capturing inspiring moments. Thirdly, he prominently displays the text of the speeches during the video. Fourthly, he incorporates footage of people working out and playing sports, creating a visual feast of determination and athleticism. Lastly, he often uses black and white visuals for added impact. Now here's the important part. Forget about copying and pasting a single speech with stock footage. That will only lead to copyright issues and demonetization. You need to add your own special touch to the mix. By blending short fragments from different speeches, you create something unique and decrease the likelihood of legal troubles. How hard can this be? I'll show you. Start by searching for 4 to 5 speeches that resonate with you. Choose one speech to be the star of your intro and outro. For the other speeches, opt for powerful ones where people passionately express themselves. If possible, find speeches without pre-existing music, although most speeches come with motivational tunes attached. Don't worry, I have a brilliant solution for that, which I'll reveal shortly. Once you have selected your speeches, go to ChatGPT and use the provided interface, which can be found in the video description. Then, navigate to the designated speech and click on the 3 dots and select Show Transcript and copy all of the sentences. After that, return to ChatGPT and paste them there. This will result in creating unique, engaging, and exclusive content for your video. Now we need someone to read these sentences in a professional, impactful, and motivating voice. This leads us to the website 11labs.io. It is a site that converts writing into speech in a professional manner and with a professional voice. Let's start the explanation. Simply log in using your email address. I will log in and return. Now this is the website interface, which is user-friendly. There is a free version of the website that gives you 10,000 words to use. There are numerous available voices. Let's listen to some of them.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
Kindness is more important than wisdom.
Life is...
If you're not satisfied, click on the Add Voice button. Then, click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. After that, click on Voice Library, and choose any voice you like. Let's try out some voices and choose one to use in the video. There are millions of professional voices available, and you can choose the desired accent. For example, I will select this voice.
The final proof of greatness lies in being able to endure criticism without resentment.
To add the voice, click on the Add to Voice Lab, then click on the Add Voice, and then click on Finish, and the voice will be added with the other voices. If you want to select a specific voice that you liked, you can download it and use it by clicking Add Voice again, then selecting Add Generative or Clone Voice, and finally clicking Instant Voice Cloning. However, this feature requires the paid version. Nevertheless, you can make use of the voices that have been provided to you. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the speech that was given to us. We turn it into a professional sound one by one until we have finished all of them.
When you start doing anything, the first step, you're excited, you're pumped up, you're going to be consumed with that thing you're doing. But a week in...
And now, let's go to the fantastic website, Pictory, which will transform our text into a professional video. Pictory's slogan is video creation made easy, and rightly so. This is what it does. The site has a free version that allows you to use all the features, but with only 3 videos. If you want to make more videos without watermark, you can purchase one of the paid plans. To get started, you need to create an account on Pictory. You can do so by entering your email address. After creating an account, you can log into the website and begin creating your own videos. I'm already registered, so I'll log in directly. The website interface is user-friendly. There are several different ways to create videos on Pictory. You can use the script-to-video tool to convert text into videos, the article-to-video tool to transform articles into videos, or the visual-to-video tool to add images to your videos. In this video, we'll be using the script-to-video tool. Click on Proceed. Here, we'll write the content we want to convert into a video. However, before that, let's visit the Sentence Splitter website. This site divides our text into smaller parts to help Pictory understand the text better and provide us with better results. Let's go back to the ChatGPT website, copy the text, and then return to the Sentence Splitter site to paste the text. After removing the time markers, click Convert. This way, the text is split into several segments. Now copy the text and return to the Pictory.ai website. Paste the text. Leave spaces between texts. Now we need to add some keywords to focus the website's attention, such as boxing. Highlight these keywords using the highlight option. Add another word like time. Add each word according to the sentence. For example, use eyes to take close-ups of a face and other keywords like race, running, freedom, and many more. Now let's accelerate the video. After finishing, click on Proceed in the upper right corner. Next, we choose a template. Since we won't be using the text, the template choice doesn't matter. Adjust the video's dimensions to fit YouTube specifications. The AI will create the video within minutes based on sentences and keywords. We are done creating the video. Now go through all of the passages and make sure they align with your sentences and keywords. For example, if you are not satisfied with a clip, go to the left corner, click Visuals, and select an appropriate video clip. After you find the appropriate clip, click on it and it will change directly. I chose this, for example. Repeat this process for the remaining parts. You can change the text if needed, but we will add it on the CapCut website. We need to delete all the captions. To do this, click on the translation icon, then press Apply to All. This will remove the captions completely. Now we'll download the video by clicking Download and selecting the video option. The video processing will start. And after processing is complete, click on Download. The download will start immediately. Now let's move on to the final step, which is merging the clips with the audio. We will accomplish this using the CapCut website. If you don't have CapCut, you can download it. Choose any email and the download will begin. If you encounter any download issues, please write about them in the comments and I'll create a video explaining how to download it. Assuming you already have it downloaded, click on New Project and then Import. We'll download the audio we recorded from the 11labs.io website and arrange them in the desired order. After that, we'll import the video we downloaded from Pictory.ai. Convert the video to black and white by clicking on Filters, selecting the appropriate filter, and applying it to the entire video. Next, let's add text to the video. Click on Text and then choose Auto Captions. Select the language and click Create. It will automatically generate captions synchronized with the speech. Once it's done, position the captions in the center. To make them visible, go to Media, click on Library, select the black box, and apply it to all video clips. Reduce the opacity to 34%. Now let's add an echo effect to the audio for a more professional touch. Mark each sound and add echo by going to Audio Effects, selecting Voice Filters, selecting Echo, and setting the amount and strength to 10. Notice the difference in sound quality.
When you start doing anything, the first step, you're excited, you're pumped up, you're going to be consumed with that thing you're doing. When you start doing anything, the first step, you're excited, you're pumped up, you're going to be consumed with that thing you're doing.
Take a look at the final result of the video.
When you start doing anything, the first step, you're excited, you're pumped up, you're going to be consumed with that thing you're doing. Support you. Embed that long-term goal in your mind. Burn it into your soul. Because everything is based on activity. Most people go through life never.
And now we have reached the end of the video. For those who have made it to the end, I have a surprise. This special surprise is exclusively dedicated to loyal followers. The surprise is free Canvas Pro accounts for everyone. I will explain the process in the upcoming video, so make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive alerts. Availability will be limited, so make sure you're among the first to benefit from it. Lastly, we've reached the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated on new content. Don't forget to share the video with your friends to spread the knowledge. Until next time, in another upcoming video.